Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So you know how a lot of restaurants put egg on burgers now. So I made a plant-based version of that with some Just Egg. I put a little mayo at the bottom. I have some onions down there too, but you can't see them. And I have avocado on the other side of my bread. Let's see. Can you see it? I think you can see it. All right. I'm also going to add a little bit of ketchup. Because I want to. And some Dijon mustard. So it's the Primal Kitchen ketchup and the 365 organic Dijon mustard. And I'm gonna put them together. And there we go. I'm looking forward to this. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, y'all. I'm not going to eat this on camera because it looks like it's going to be all over the place with some juicy goodness. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.